have been the Suns. I can't remember.
All right, here's a glass elevator. Oh. Okay, as I was saying, this is a glass elevator at the Gateway Shopping Center in Salt Lake City, Utah. But this one's a Thyssenkrupp. All right, here we go. Let's just go back to M. I'll get a brief cab view here. This thing's pretty nice for being outdoor. Cab's in pretty good condition, and thankful it's glass at least. It's got replacement buttons as well, so no surprise there. And it's got a 2,500 pound capacity. Not sure what those fixtures are. They look like mad though. But anyways, here we are at M. There it goes. And that's it.